what I'm going to show you today is how to do a patch repair on a Sentinel series dry suit with a Mustang Survival rapid repair technology. So what we have, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to assemble our materials together. So what I've got is a Mustang hand iron. I've got a stack of replacement patches here. I'm only going to use one today. And if you have a piece of nonstick paper from one of our other kits, it can be a handy piece to use as well, but you don't need it in order to do a patch repair. So we've got our materials together, and of course I have a dry suit here that I'm going to be working on today. And I want to just make sure I have a nice clean work surface to work from, so I've got this nice table here that I'm going to be working on today. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find the patch or the hole that's inside the suit. Typically you'll know where the hole is because you're probably getting a leak inside your suit, but you want to turn your suit inside out and find the hole. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to find our hole, and it's important to note that the size of the hole should be less than 1 inch in diameter in order to be able to use our rapid repair patches. The patches are only about 2 inches in diameter, so they're really not meant to repair anything larger than that. If you do have a slit or tear in your suit that is larger than 1 inch, then you should be sending it back to Mustang Survival or one of our certified repair depots for repair. So now my hole is right here. It's quite a small hole. I'm just going to place the patch onto the suit on top. It's a good idea to maybe have a little something like a small board or just something between the two surfaces of the suit just to provide you a nice flat surface to press against. And then I'm just going to put our little piece of non-stick paper on top, take the iron, and I'm going to apply heat and pressure for 30 seconds on the patch. So we've had the iron on for about 30 seconds. I'm just going to remove it off the material and off the non-stick paper. And we're just going to let the patch sit and cool for a minute or two because the adhesive will still be quite warm and we want the adhesive to cool down. While we're doing that, we can just do a quick inspection just to see. Sometimes you'll see a little layer, a slight ring of adhesive around the patch, and that just means that you've probably got a good bond. And we're just going to let that cool. Do a quick visual inspection on it just to make sure that the patch is properly adhered. I usually just kind of check the edges to make sure it's not pulling up, and then your suit should be good to go.